Hey guys, how's it going? How to decipher local ballot propositions. Okay, deciphering local ballot propositions can be straightforward if you follow these steps. Right, read the title. Start with the title of the proposition. It usually summarizes the issue. Look for a brief summary or explanations. This provides a clearer understanding of what the proposition entails. And many ballots include arguments for and against the proposition. These can clarify the potential impact. Be aware of that legal language can be complex. Break down complicated phrases and look up any unfamiliar terms. And look for nonpartisan websites or local news articles that analyze the proposition. They often present the pros and cons in an understandable way. Look into how this proposition fits into local issues such as budget considerations or community needs. Find out which organizations or leaders support or oppose the measure. This can provide insight into the reliability and the implications of the proposition. If you're still unsure, reach out to local civic organizations or community forums for clarification. And by following these steps, you can accurately assess a local ballot proposition and make informed voting decisions. So let's put on the comments of this video. I hope you don't forget to like and subscribe and thank